Okay, this is my Kubota. I'll post in the title and description what model it is. This will be its first cold start of 2024 and its last cold start for me. I had two people contact me this morning, New Year's Day, wanting to come and get this tractor. The person that's coming was the only one who was willing to put a deposit on it, so they'll be here in less than 20 minutes. First, he said he's over 45 minutes away. I guess when I gave him my address, he realized he was closer than he originally thought. Let's see if it'll start. These Kohler engines don't necessarily like the cold. And I will be keeping the battery. Oh, too soon on a choke. There we go. Of course. I've actually had people contact me all the way from out west here in Canada about this machine, but no one wanted to take a drive up here to get it. Two-hander. Okay, here it sits until the person shows up. I very seldomly let people in my backyard or garage, so here she sits. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment. And yes, I will post pictures of the machine's ad. Bye for now. See? And they're all up. Nice.